Today we're unpacking Google DeepMind's brand new AI agent, AlphaEvolve, in under 2 minutes, so let's dive straight in. So AlphaEvolve is Google's latest Gemini-powered coding agent that invents algorithms on its own. So think of it as a tireless research partner that generates code, tests it, critiques itself, and then mutates the best ideas in an evolutionary loop until it discovers something better than anything humans have written so far. So here's the recipe for how it does that. So first, it generates candidate algorithms with Gemini 2.0. It will then evaluate them automatically against strict benchmarks. And then it's going to evolve the top performers by tweaking and retesting. It will then rinse and repeat hundreds or even thousands of times, no coffee breaks required. It's already had some pretty big wins so far. It beat a 56-year-old record in matrix multiplication, shaving off an entire step from a decade-old method. It also made a tiny tweak to Google's internal compute scheduler that saved 0.7% of global compute, which is millions of dollars of saving in electricity. This isn't just faster math. AlphaEvolve shows that AI can now create new algorithms, not just remix old ones. That can mean breakthroughs in everything from logistics to scientific research, and most importantly, figuring out how Long John Silver's is still in business.